Some memories stay with us, not because they were loud, but because of the quiet way they changed everything. Meet Mervyn and his Eagle engine. So, welcome, it's July. We're outside our new Campbell House facility at Warwick, and this is going to be our technical training centre. And this beauty is an engine that was manufactured by Eagle Engineering in 1910, so it's, 115 years old. And we're going to start a project now to refurbish this. So next time you see this, we'll be showing you a reveal, and this will be ready to go into our reception here at Campbell House. Gary's going to help us with the project. Henry, we've got a great story about your great-grandfather who bought this in about 1915. And we'll tell you more about that when we sit down to reveal more of the story. But this is it in its first sense. So we're just going to go around this and decide how we're going to refurbish it. And we want to try and bring this back to life as authentically as it was back in 1910. So we're going to make some notes now and get on with it. So we'll show you again this bit of equipment in a couple of months' time.
Hello, Gary.
Morning, Dan.
Nice to see you. I've come
Nice
to
to
look
see
at
you.
the progress on our engine.
Please come through.
Lovely, thank you.
Be careful. Thank you. Oh, here we are, Dan. Engine in bits, ready for paint.
Oh, great. You've stripped the paint off then.
That's right.
So have you sandblasted it back,
We
Gar?
decided not to because, as you can see, there's a lot of possibly air pockets in the casting, very old casting. So we didn't want to create a problem, and that would destroy it if that was to blow with the pressure of the sandblasting.
Okay.
So we took a very soft wire brush, and it's been painstakingly, but taken a lot of time. So we've got it back to its original casting. We don't want to improve on that, otherwise it won't look original.
Brilliant.
Good.
Oh, and here's all the parts stripped off.
That's right, yeah. So we've got the dynamo that creates the spark. It's just a simple lever off a cam.
Okay.
That takes a spark into the spark plug. That's ready to be reconditioned and stripped and painted. And that's the carburetor, very simple carburetor, very different to what we know today with the inlet valve.
So you're going to reseat the valve and...
Reseat the valve, clean all the carburetor down, and anything that needs some paint.
Brilliant.
And polish some of the brass. Here we've got some of the caps, which as you can see, we've polished. The petrol caps and some of the little levers that we've got, all polished.
Oh, that's a nice finish.
Yeah, yeah, compared to what the old tarnish was on the inside. Yeah.
It's all looking great, Gar.
Yeah, I think it'll look nice. Moving on from that, here is the oiling system, something you wouldn't see today. And that actually oils the piston.
Yeah.
So again, it needs to be stripped, cleaned, and polished.
Okay, so here's the old chassis.
That's correct, Dan. As you can see, it was heavily infected with dry rot and woodworm. We can't introduce this into the new factory. Any other wood would be affected by it, and it wouldn't have been strong enough to hold the weight with people walking around it. Here's the new chassis that Bob has constructed for us out of oak.
Great.
So, as we discussed, Bob's here. That's good timing. Come on then, mate.
Morning, Gary.
Good timing. Nice to see you.
Nice to see
So
you
what have
too.
you bought me?
Some more components for your construction of this
Engine frame,
engine frame.
chassis,
Yeah.
call it whatever we want. So you made me some petrol tank, new brackets to match the chassis, so that everything
which is all made out of English oak, as per this used to be.
good. And the reason now we had to abolish the restoration of this.
Well, structurally, it's not sound, is it?
No, it's not. It's not. So we've duplicated it as close as we can with some nice oak. And again, to match it all in, although these weren't of any, no nastiness, but we felt that we needed to match everything to keep it all uniform.
So Gary, you've noticed the engine plaque number.
I was waiting for that one. We've kept that safe in the office, doesn't leave my sight.
Great.
As we know, we won't be able to replace that. So we've sanded the surfaces and polished the brass back up, but we didn't want to redo the enamel. It would not look right. It'd look too new.
Agree.
So that's what we've done
And
there.
we've unearthed now the engine numbers then as well.
That's correct. We've got 694. So what we're hoping to do now is do more research and find out when 694 was made, so we can put a reasonably accurate date to the engine. And again, we've got the 4 horsepower, which we believe is about 2 litre, and it produces 4 horsepower. But again, a little bit further measuring, we'll get to that.
There you go, Gary.
Thank you, Tris.
What's that, Gary?
Well, we've had to make up some new shafts, Dan, because the original shafts were badly worn and it wouldn't sit square on display. It would look terrible. Okay. So, as you can see, put that on there, and we've got all this. Yeah, and this is actually a better one. So when it does sit, it'd be all squiff, and we just don't want that. So Tristan has made these new ones, and as you can see, they're a nice snug fit, and it should hold the whole job nice and square on display.
Okay, so this is the old original exhausting Gar, which is obviously rusty.
Yep. Well, as you can see, that was beyond repair. It would be foolish to have done anything with it. That's the silencing part that fits inside. So we've reconstructed one in this frame here, as you can see. It's all made out of new materials.
That's great.
Great, you're happy with that?
That's great, excellent.
Good.
So one last point now, we need to agree now on the shade of green for the paint for the engine.
Okay, I've got some of that mixed up.
Oh, great stuff.
Good.
Okay, so obviously it's ready for painting, Gar.
Yeah,
So this was the original shade of green.
correct.
So how close a match have we managed to get for this?
I mixed a bit up. Here we go, Dan. This is the paint we've mixed and we've come up with. I think it's a very traditional old English green.
Perfect, that.
Perfect. And to match it up onto the, we got a good take of that.
Yeah, that'd be
Yeah.
perfect. So how are you going to apply that now?
So we're gonna give it a deep clean. We're gonna etch it and we're gonna put rust inhibitor on it. That'll be mixed in with the etch prime. The etch will stick everything to the old casting, and then the green will be applied on top of it.
Perfect.
Keeping the original casting marks.
Great, perfect.
For Mervyn, it was never about the roar of the engine, but the steady rhythm of the pistons that reminded him of family and times gone by. Mervyn, hi. Welcome to Dennis Eagle. I'm Jeff.
Nice to be here, Jeff. Thanks
No, it's
for
really
having
great
me.
to see you.
See you, Jeff.
Thanks.
Pleased to meet you. Dan.
See you,
Nice to meet you.
So we last stood by this engine in the summer, and I just want to start off with some introductions. So I'm going to start with Henry. Henry, tell us a bit about yourself.
I'm Henry. I'm Mervyn's grandson. I've been with the business coming up to 5 years now, and I work in quality control.
So Henry and Mervyn have got a great story about this engine, and it's just one of those weird coincidences that you're now at Dennis Eagle, and Mervyn, you go so far back with this Eagle engineering. So we'll talk about that in a moment. Dan has been, as you know, part of the project management to get this beauty restored, and you've been doing that for probably the last 2 or 3 months.
I have.
So Mervyn, this engine was manufactured, we think, in the old Saltersford in Warwick in about 1905, don't we?
That's right, yes.
So it's 120 years old, believe it or not, isn't it?
Yeah, a bit older than us.
Yeah, quite amazing, really.
yeah.
And it's an interesting story as to how it came into your family. We think your great-grandfather-in-law bought this engine in about 1915, and he bought it for a very special purpose, didn't he? Can you just tell us a little bit about what that was?
Well, apparently it was bought for father-in-law's 16th birthday present.
Yeah.
What a present.
Yeah, what a present. You'd get a mobile phone these days, wouldn't you?
You do, yeah.
But he
That's
got an
right.
engine, didn't
But
he?
he got this engine, yeah, and the saw bench, and that's how it went.
Yeah. The other little funny little part of this story is that he was actually born in the Cuttle in Long Itchington, wasn't
That's
he?
right, born in the Cuttle in Long Itchington in either 1900 or 1901.
Yeah, I used to live in Long Itchington. I used to occasionally drink in the Cuttle, so I know the Cuttle very well.
Oh, brilliant, yeah.
But when this was made in 1905, it was originally sold to a local estate, wasn't it? And,
Yes.
when it was brand new, it was serving as on an estate cutting wood, wasn't it?
Cutting
Power
wood.
and saw, basically.
Yeah.
And when your great father-in-law bought it, that again was what they used it for, wasn't it? It was
Yes, that's
cutting wood.
right, yeah. But I think, and through a book I got at home, or the pamphlet, it might show you what's happened here. The estate went to electric
Right.
and got rid of this.
Yeah.
And this, I think, is where
Where they managed to buy it.
the great-grandfather,
Yeah.
I'll get it for the lad.
Yeah. But it still works at 120 years.
Yeah.
Old, it still works, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
from the Cuttle, he moved to the Dog in Harbury, didn't
Dog
he?
in Harbury, yeah.
And I think that was the first pub you went in to drink. I bet you weren't legal when you first went in there. But it cut wood there, didn't it? That's where it was.
Yeah. He went into the, because at the Dog at that time had stables at the back,
Right.
which I do know about, and he used to cut logs up there. You know, he had a pony and trap or something,
Yeah.
because he used to do a bit of running from the station
Right.
up to Harbury, the father-in-law. So I think they was all out to make money somewhere along the line.
So Mervyn, tell us about when you first met this engine.
When I first met this engine, I met with my wife now, and he said, he said, I want to show you something, come outside, you know. He said, "Here, have a look at this," and he pulled this corrugated iron sheet off the top, and this blooming great saw bench, and this well, I don't know, contraption was there, which I was only 17 at the time.
Right.
And he said, "There's the handle, we've got to start it."
And he gave you that job.
Yeah. And this is when he told me, and I was telling Dan, was it three swings and you get the fourth and off you go.
So without revealing too much about your age,
Yeah.
How long ago was it when you first met this engine?
60
years ago.
60 years
Wow,
ago.
it's amazing.
Yeah, 60
So
years.
what would it mean to you?
To the month, actually.
Really?
Yeah, technically, because it was me, I cut the wood up for the fire.
Right.
That's what he had me get it started for.
It certainly cut some wood over the years.
Yeah,
hasn't
where
it?
these lads was, I don't know.
So we've spent the last couple of months refurbishing it, and you've been talking extensively about that journey, haven't you?
Yes.
So what would it mean for you to see this revealed today in its former glory?
I don't know. I got no words for it.
Well, let's take a look. shall we?
The way I left it, it was barely going.
Yeah, but
you know,
it certainly changed a bit. So shall I take the cover off and show you?
Please.
So let's have a look.
Oh my God.
Gee,
It's quite something, isn't it?
Wow. Look at that, man. Looks brand new.
It probably didn't look like that 60 years ago, did it?
Hope you're pleased with it.
Cheers, Dan. Thank you. Looks incredible.
Dan.
You've done a brilliant job.
brilliant job,
Thank you
mate.
very much.
Thank you.
But thank you, Mervyn, for allowing. You're going to allow. You've lent this to us now, so we're going to look after it. This is our new training centre, so we think engineers coming from all over the country are going to find this fascinating. And whenever you want to come back and have a look, of course, you're really most welcome. So it's been a great project, and we're very, very grateful for you allowing us to use it.
Well, thank you very, very, very much. I'm sure everybody that's been in touch with this engine's going to appreciate it.
Yeah. It's a nice home for it, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah,
Come home.
yeah, yeah.
And lots of people are
and
going to see
it needs to stay in the vicinity
Yeah,
of where it was made,
Yeah.
and that's part of, the country
yeah.
and the history.
I mean, the other thing that's quite nice about this is 120 years old now. Our factory here is 40 years old this year. We moved from the Saltersford 40 years ago. So it's quite nice having something from the Saltersford back here, really. So that's a nice part of the story
brilliant.
too. So, yeah,
Brilliant.
it's lovely. Thanks very much.
Brilliant. The old boy that looked after it for the last 60 years, after the father-in-law died, because we got nowhere to put it.
No.
I mean,
No, it's not the sort of thing you put in your front room, is it?
No. And I was mid-terrace, so I couldn't have it in my garden. He was all right. He was at the end. He got a big garden.
Nice, superb.
But Mr. Weeks looked after it well, and he was in Warwick Hospital when I told him
Yeah.
I said, I've offered it to Dennis Eagle, and what do you think, Ted? And he jumped. He could, if he could jump out of that bed, he would have done.
Yeah, fantastic.
He was ever so pleased because he'd just get lost out there.
Yeah. But we'll look after it, I can promise you that. And we're very proud to show it here. So thank you.
I appreciate all this. I really, really do.
No, touche.
And
But it's a lovely part of the story, the fact that you're with the company now as well. So.
yeah. Well, he'd have had to end up with it in his garden, but I don't know how we'd get it through the gate. But you've done that. Well, what can I say?
It's amazing. You've done an amazing job.
It is.
Yeah, well done, Dan and the team.
Dan,
Thank you.
yeah, and
Glad
the
you're
gang,
pleased.
and the gang. Thank them
Yeah,
all,
I
mate.
will do.
Thank them all. Well, thank you all very, very, very much.
No, it's brilliant. Thanks, Mervyn.
Thank you,
Okay,
thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, Henry.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dan. Well done.
Thank you.